Okay. Today we are going to discuss about our compensation part. Before going to compensation, let me give a quick overview on all our previous topics, and then we will move on to our compensation topic. Okay. Okay. Give me a second, please. Okay. Let me share my screen as well. Okay. Okay. Let me start with a quick overview on all our previous topics. Okay, let's say now we all know why we are using our Workday, right? To store or to maintain our employee database for a company, we are using the Workday system. Now, if we are thinking that we have to maintain our employee database in Workday, that is not sufficient, right? We have to move our data to Workday, right? To move it, what and all we have to do in our Workday? Okay, now see, your company is like, let's take as example Amazon or Flipkart. Now your company is Amazon Inc. Now your company is, your operations are in globally operated. That means your company is in across the world. People are working in your company across the world. Now I have to create a company in all the locations. That's what we created, the locations across the world, in the sense, okay, we need to differentiate, okay, each and every location, okay, each and every hierarchy into a region wise and hierarchy wise. That's what we have seen in our yesterday's topics, and previously also we discussed about the hierarchies. Now we created a company, we created a location. So now I assigned the location to my company. Now I created a company called Amazon India Private Limited. It is in my Bangalore and Hyderabad and Chennai, Mumbai. For all the locations I have, okay, I have assigned the company, and all these are in one hierarchy. Okay, let's take my Bangalore is the headquarter for an India. It would be an hierarchy. All the pay slips, okay, all the pay, whatever you are getting salary, it will be, okay, operated through your headquarters. Okay, through your headquarters company. So for India, Bangalore is the headquarter, and it would be a hierarchy for all the location. That is called the location hierarchy. And in Singapore also you have the companies, and some other location would be the hierarchy, and you have the companies in Malaysia. So all these will come into an APAC region, and that would be an hierarchy. In that hierarchy you will be having different regions. Okay, that's what we have seen in our class yesterday. And now we created our locations, regions, hierarchies, and we assigned to our company. Now the thing is, we need to send our employees, right? We have all our employees in other system, right? That we have to send into our company in Workday now. How to send it? So now I have to hire an employee into that. To hire an employee, I need to be a position. If I created a position, if I hire an employee, under whom he will be reporting, right? So for that, what I'll do, I'll create an organization. I will create a supervisory organization. Okay, in this way, it will work out. Okay, this what we all have seen. Now we created organization. Okay, we created our organization. We created, now we have let's take, you are under chairman. Chairman will be, okay, having CEO as a subordinate. CEO having a subordinate as XYZ. XYZ will be having a subordinate of ABC. So in that hierarchy, to maintain my employees, I created the subordinate organization, and there will be reporting under the top level supervisory organization. And now you created a company. Okay, you created a company and you assigned what are all the locations. Okay, under which location the company is there. And now you created all the hierarchies to maintain and to track the employees in the hierarchy wise. And you created an organization, okay, to hire an employee and to create a position. You created an organization. So whoever I am hiring under the supervisory organization, they will be reporting to them. So for that, we created a supervisory organization called chairman. After that, what we have done, we have created our position. So to create a position, job profile, okay, job profile are the mandatory. Job profile, job families are the mandatory. So that's why we created the job profile and job family as well. What exactly job profile and job family means? Now you will be getting your emails for job opening, right? We have so and so opening. Okay, job opening, job opportunity with on Workday techno-functional consultant. Okay, all this is called as a job profile. Now this job profile will come into different family, because we will be having different positions, different job openings, different technologies, different background. So in this way, we'll be having different things. How to differentiate? That's why they have segregated as a job family and job family group. Okay, now HR is a job family in the sense, in HR they will be having recruited team as a separate thing, onboarding team as a separate thing. So onboarding team will become as a one group. Whoever is there in that job profile, they all will come into one group, and recruiters will all come into one group. So these two groups will be under family. Okay, under family, they will be having different groups called job family groups. That is called the job family and job family group. That's what we created, and we created the position. Okay, is it clear so far? Okay, what and all we discussed on all our 4 topics, what exactly the 4 topics and how we created it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now, what is our 5th topic? Compensation. See here, now we created a position, we created a job, everything. Now, if we created a position, obviously we have to create some compensation to that position, right? Now, let's take an example. I have an job opportunity for Workday techno-functional consultant with 3 to 4 years of experience, or else with 3 to 6 years of experience, and I have 2 positions. Now, someone who I am hiring, and my compensation range is, okay, my compensation range is also like 5 to 8 lakhs. Now, for whom I have to give 5 lakhs? for whom I have to give 8 lakhs. Now I hired an employee with 3 years of experience. I will give 6 years. I hired another employee same with 3 years. How much I have to give? Whether I have to give 8 lakhs or 3 lakhs, or else if suppose I hired an employee with 4 years of experience, how much compensation I can give it to him, right? So based on the grade levels, the compensation will also vary, right? So how to differentiate that compensation for different levels of experience people if I'm hiring them? Okay, that's what we are going to see in our compensation. Now, let's proxy. Okay, now what I have to do it here? Now create the compensation package. First we'll see compensation grade. It is the overview of compensation we already now just I told you, and more I'll tell you while we are seeing in our grades and packages and rules what exactly are the things. Now go to create compensation package. Okay, now I'm giving it. Okay, now I'm going to create my compensation package. to create my see, package is nothing but your compensation is nothing but your CTC. In that CTC, what and all you will be getting? Your basic pay, you will get it, right? Your house allowance, your internet allowances, or else your phone allowances, your PF, and your bonus if you have any bonus. Everything will come. That is called the package, right? If they are giving you a 10 lakhs as a package, in the 10 lakhs, your variable pay will be there, right? Your PF will be there, and your basic pay, your HRA, and whatever allowances they are giving it, everything will be there, right? That and all, the whole thing we will call it as a package. Am I right? So that is what we are going to create it here. We are going to create the package. We are going to create the whole thing. Now, let me give Amazon chairman, okay, compensation package. Okay. Now, eligibility rules. What are the eligibility rules here? What are the eligibility rules? We'll discuss it. Now, come down. Now, here they have mentioned the compensation grade. What is called the grade? This is what I told you. Suppose if I have anyone, okay, if I have anyone, okay, with so and so experience or with let's take he's a software engineer, he should be grade 1 or grade A. If he is a senior software engineer, he should be grade 2. I have to give grade 2 to him. In that way, sorry, today we have some lot of disturbances. I'm sorry, from tomorrow it will not happen. Create. This is our task. I have to create the grade. Now let's take 09092018. Now see here, use grade profiles. If you click on this, you can use this compensation grade for any of the countries. Now let's give my parent segments as 3, and I'll show you what is called the parent segments now. Okay. Now see here, what would be my compensation grade name? Amazon comp grade name. Okay. Now, what are all the base pay elements you want it for this? Okay. What and all you want it? Let me take basic. Okay. Now, HRA. Now, you want alliances, or else you can take car allowance or mobile phone allowance. And what and all you can take? You can take meal allowances, internet access allowances. So these are all my components which I'll be getting in my position. Now see, what is the currency you have to give it? Let's take my currency is USD. What is the frequency? Let's take annual. Okay, this package is for my employee on annual basis. Okay, it's for annual basis. Now, let's take here. You have segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, midpoint, right? What is the minimum? Okay, let me give my minimum as 2000, okay, USD, or else let's take some 5000 USD, and here I'll give like 9000. I'll tell you. Now, calculate segments. Okay, this is what I got it. Now, what is this segment? What is this segment in the sense? I told you, right? We will be having employees. Suppose if I'm hiring an employee who has some 3 to 5 years of experience, and my compensation range, what I got is 5 to 9 lakhs. So, for 3 years employee, I can give 5 lakhs. For 6 years employee, I can give 9 lakhs. What about my 4 years of experience, guys? If I'm hiring 4 years, what it would be? Or is 4.5 or is 3.5? How much package I have to give it to them? Right? I can't give 9. I can't give 5. This is the minimum, that is the maximum. Somebody calling me. Really sorry for that. Okay. Now, we on quality segment. Suppose if you have a segment and give 6.3, right? For 4 and 4.5, I'll be giving, okay? For 5 years, I'll be giving this. For 9 years, for 6 years, for who are in between, okay? Who are in between will be, okay. Who are in between that, okay? Suppose 3 to 6 years means 5 will be a midpoint, right? For 5 years, 7,000. For 6 years, it will be 9. For 5.5, it would be 7. For 4.5, it would be here. For 3 to 4, 5,000 USD will be a CTC for them. In that way, we will differentiate the CTC. That is called the pay segment. Okay, we will take that each employee with different levels into different segments. That way they will be getting their compensation packages. Okay, so that's why for you and your friends the salary will be differing based on your experience. In the sense, how in the sense, in this way they will be, okay, they will be calculating your compensation packages. Okay, this is the pay range now. Let's go here. Grade profiles. Why it is showing? While beginning, I checked the checkbox used in grade profiles. Okay, what is a grade profile? Name I can give it. I can give this as Amazon grade profile. Amazon grade profile name. And what are all the base pay elements? I have to give it to this. Okay, what and all I have to give? I have to give basic. Internet is a bit slow. Yeah, I got it. One is my base pay, one is my HRA, and one is my car. One is my car allowance, and one I'll take food. I'll take meal allowance. Yeah, one I'll take meal allowance, internet access allowance. I'll take cell or mobile allowance. These are the basic pay elements what I chose. And see here, for each and everything it was optional, but for your grade profile it is a mandatory. Okay, what is mandatory? Your eligibility rule is a mandatory, right? How to create the eligibility rule? Let's go here. Let me go here. Click on my new tab. Create compensation eligibility rule. This is my task. See, it's very easy, right? What and all we are planning, it's just we are typing it, we are getting it. Whatever we are planning to give it, we are searching it, we are choosing that. We are not writing any code, we are not searching for that in any background, right? Everything, just we are typing it, we are getting it, we are selecting that, right? It's only a simple thing in our Workday. Very easy to learn and very easy to understand as well. See, you're feeling it is uneasy to search, to create everything. Are feeling it is uneasy only, right? Comparatively other things, you no need to write any code here. Are you feeling it easy or is you feeling it bit difficult?
No, ma'am, it's very easy. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, I have one question. That eligibility criteria is there, one that you will not fill up, and payroll module is related to this compensation eligibility rule?
Yes, obviously. Because whatever the compensation package you are getting, whatever the salary you are getting, that only will go to your payroll, right? Payroll is nothing but whatever you are getting your pay, that is called the payroll, right? So what you will get in your pay slip and everything, your compensation only you will be getting it. So that's what we are creating it here.
And that eligibility criteria means probational period or what?
No, I'll create it now. I'll create and show you. I'll create it. That's what we are in. See, I opened a tab, right? Create compensation eligibility rule. Now we will be creating it. What are all the compensation eligibility rules? I have to give it. See, I told you, right? Suppose this compensation plan, okay, this compensation package should be applicable only for who are 3 to 5 years of experience. Whatever job, whatever position, whatever role it is, whether senior software engineer or software engineer or assistant software engineer, or else he is from any background who has 3 to 6 years experience, this is applicable for me. Okay, this is my rule. Or else, let me take one more rule. The management level, okay, if I'm hiring anyone, the management level is board of directors, okay, board of directors, and their experience should be so and so, and their location should be United States, okay, then from India, no, it will not applicable. Why? He should be US as per my eligibility rule. So in that way, whatever logic you will be having, okay, to give this compensation, that only will be taking to that employee. Those are called eligibility rules. In doubt, what is called eligibility rules? Do you want me to explain once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no worries. Let me explain once again. Okay, now let's take see, for an easy example I can tell you, we have metro cities and non-metro cities, right? For metro cities, HRA will be something different, and for non-metro some percentage, right? So how they are giving it? Now I am from non. If I think I am from non-metro city, I will get one kind of amount. If you are from metro city, you will be getting one kind of getting it. They are right. Is it clear? And one more thing, a small example I can give you. If you are from India, you will be getting the salary in rupees. If you are from US, you will be getting a salary from dollars, right? How they will mention you have to get dollars, you have to get INR rupees. Here in the condition rule, I can give them as currency is equal to, okay, INR, or else currency is equal to USD. Whatever I am giving, whatever I am writing a rule based on that, it will be applicable for salaries. Okay, clear? Now, if you are having any doubts, I can create a rule.
Hello, madam. Today, your voice is very much shaking. We will not hear you. Hear you. I think your native. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not getting here.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now clear what is the eligibility rule? Shall we go and create the eligibility rule now? Okay. Let me go and create it. Let me write Amazon form eligibility. Eligibility rule. Let me, so if you wanted to copy any of your conditions from the existing rules, you can do it here, or else you can write your own logic. I am taking as my logic as management level. Yeah, I'll take, where is it? Yeah, I'll take this management level. In the selection list. So what are all the management levels I have? These are all the management levels I have it. Okay, I am taking it as a director. Okay, now this my eligibility rule should be applicable to my director, and he should be from US. See, job or location field. Okay. Say, okay, I don't want in that way also. Let me take in a generic way so it will be easy for you. Country. Yeah. Country should be. Where is my, yeah. Okay. Now you will write, I want from it. He should be a full-time employee for me. Now my employee, if it is a time in the selection list, I'll take them as a regular and full time. He is a regular employee for me. Now click on OK. Okay, these are my conditions. So if when I am hiring a employee, okay, to give this eligibility rule, all this compensation eligibility rule should be satisfied. Okay, what is that? He should be a director and he should be from USA and he should be a regular employee. Then only this 5 to 9,000 USD package will be applicable to him. Okay. Now what is my eligibility rule here? Amazon eligibility. See, now this what I have given it. Now what is my currency I will give it? USD. Now what is my frequency? Annual. Okay. Now click on OK. Okay. Now I created my grade. What is my grade? Amazon comp grade. Let me go and give it here. Amazon grade. Now click on OK. Now see here. The eligibility rule also should become because I used it in that compensation grade. Let me refresh and see. Okay, let me search for my compensation grade. Compensation package. What is my compensation package? Amazon Chairman comp package. Okay. Now let me go and edit it. Okay. Now let me give my eligibility rule. What is my eligibility rule? Amazon form eligibility rule. Now go here. Now what is your compensation plan? Okay, what is your compensation plan? It should be come to you. Is it a salary plan? Okay, is it hourly plan? Is it a allowances plan? What plan it is there for you? It is your salary plan. Let's take work salary plan. See here, as soon as you select, okay, work salary plan, okay, it automatically taking the eligibility rule. Why? Because they have mentioned the eligibility rules here. Okay, they have mentioned the eligibility rules here. Now, edit this. Okay, edit the name as, okay, I got it here itself. I'm just creating my salary plan, 992018. Click on OK. Now, what is your salary plan name? Let me take my Amazon annual salary. This is my plan. Okay. And apply FT. That means how many hours if you are working, that and all will be as a full-time employee percentage. Okay. Now, what is my elements? The base pay and my HRA. Okay, see, one thing only it's calculating here. Base pay, because HRA will come into, where it will come? They are into alliance, right? That's why it will not come up here. Alliances, salary, everything will come into package, right? That's why in package we are getting everything. But in plans we are not getting it. Why? In the sense, these are plans, those are packages. Okay. Now, what are the eligibility rules for this? Okay. What are the eligibility rules to give this salary plan to an employee? He should be from US country. Okay. He should be from human resource. Okay. He should be from Thailand. He should be, so in what way? See here, I told you, right? Years of experience. See, years of experience should be in this way, 12 to 15, 3 to less than 6, 6 to less than 9. How it would be? I'll take it as better go with US. Where is my US? Sorry, here it is. So my eligibility rule is he should be from US. Now click on OK. Okay. Now effective date. Click on OK. Done. Now go here and what is my salary plan? Amazon salary plan. This is eligibility rule I gave it. Okay, that's why I got it there itself. Here also Amazon grade. Now compensation basis. What are all the compensation basis? You will be having it. Okay. Now create configurable compensation basis. So here you will be using all your amount. See here. Now give Amazon comp basis. Now what are all the functional areas? It is compensation and benefits. Why I am taking 2? Because you will be having few as your benefit plan. See your retiring, saving, stock plans, where you will get it? In your benefits only, right? That's why if you don't want it, you can click it as only a compensation as well. Okay. Now, let's select salary plans. Go and select it as Amazon. Okay. Now, if you want to select bonus plan, you can select it. See, is it amount based plan? Okay, or else it is a percentage. Okay, percentage, this much percentage you will be getting it, right? Here you have to, so if you want to select it, you have to create it, right? Because I created it, that's why I got it. Correct or not? See, create alliance plan. 09092018. Is it reimbursable? Yes. Let's check it as reimbursable. If it is, if you are not checking, it is a percent based, so it will be deducting or else you are getting it. Let's take like reimbursable and amount. Now, what is your plan name? Amazon Alliance Plan. Let's take what are all the expenses items. Is it a business travel? We don't have any other items. Here also don't have. Okay. Let's take. Okay. Nothing has been here. Shit. Let me go and create it. I take it as item name as relocation. Okay, what is a spend category here? It is from my relocation. Okay, now is it a maximum amount or fixed amount? Take it as a fixed amount. It should be like some 2000 USD. Okay, and your currency should be USD. Okay, now see, this should be applicable to your project or cost center, whatever it is. Okay, in this way you will be tagging it. Okay, you will be tagging it. Is it for, you will be getting this from your sponsor, or else from region, or else from project, okay, or else from location. Okay, from whom you will be getting this relocation amount. Okay, let me give it as okay. Now, this is my expense item. Expense accumulator. It is for month to date, it is for year to date. Let's take year to date. So, what is the amount? Allowance amount is like 2000, and if it is a 100% employee, and it is also like USD, and the frequency is annual. Okay, now click on OK. Because relocation I gave 2 times, right? Maybe that is the reason it is changed. Not taking. Where is my thing? I guess we lost it. Okay, for now let me give only this. I'll create one more tomorrow. Okay, I lost it again. I have to create it from starting. Now see, I gave grade, I gave plan, I gave compensation basis. Now click on OK. Remove this. Now click on OK. Okay, now see here, I created my package. Okay, now in my package, I have my grade, I have my plan, everything I have it. Okay. Now this package, okay, this package will be given to your position. So if you want a position, you will be creating your job, right? You are creating your job profile. Amazon supervisory organization. Go to here, go to your position, go to here as well, go to your job profile. Now come down. See here. Now these are empty, right? You have to give that here. Okay, now if I am hiring anyone in this profile, the default compensation will be that from 6 to 9 lakhs will be the default compensation. What is my grade here? Amazon compensation grade. Amazon grade profile. Okay, so here I have to give it. Okay, now click on OK. Now go and see now. Now see here, you got it, right? You got your compensation grade, grade profile and everything, right? This and all will be okay. Now we gave our compensation and this is your overview. Okay, this is your overview. And if you are hiring anyone into this, and your compensation will be by default. When I am hiring an employee, the compensation will be defaulted to this. It will ask us from 6 to 9 lakhs is the range what you are planning to give to this employee. Okay, so we will hire an employee and we'll see how this will be reflected to our employee when we are hiring him. Okay, maybe it will be a bit confused for you. Tomorrow again I will explain you theoretically and I'll show you when you are getting this employee compensation, when you're hiring an employee, you will easily understand, okay, that day we have given these things in our job profile. That's why it is asking us now. Okay, in that way you will understand it. Okay, got it? Hello?
Hello.
Is it? Yeah.
Which were created here, allowances rules like basic, HRA, all of things. Management will provide us, no? How much
Yes.
we need to bonus like that.
Yes,
How
correct. Yes, everything will be given by the management. Whatever they are giving it, just we will create it, just we will configure it. That's all. We will not take our own decisions. Whatever they are giving it, we will use that. I'll use whatever the thing they wanted to give, wanted to be here. Everything will be given by them, and we will just work on
okay.
it.
Yes, we need to create and map here only.
Sorry.
Which are all things provided by company or management. Just we have to
Yes.
map and create here only. That's all.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Let's wind up for today. Tomorrow the same time. Okay, tomorrow again I'll explain you once again. Okay, so what and all we discussed today, and then we will move on to the other topic. Tomorrow I will explain you compensation once again. Okay, so no need to worry about it. We will explain once again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you so much for joining. Tomorrow I'll be explaining once again about the compensation so that it will be very clear for you. If you have any confusion today, then it will be clear for tomorrow if you are hearing once again.
Okay. And
Okay.
is it problem to continue morning? If there is any problem, we will to change the time.
Sorry?
Previously, you are asking about na. You are comfortable with in the night, I think, after 9. If you have any
Yes.
problem, we are ready for that time.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for that. See, I have a meeting for 3 days. After Ganesh Chaturthi, we will move to the evening. Okay?
Okay.
Even I wanted to move to the evening batch so that it will not be very rush for me to go for office.
No problem. We are comfortable with the evening also.
Yes, not now. We will move it after Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.